The capital city of Ljubljana is a great starting point for your visit to Slovenia. It's a charming small town with always so much going on. There are a lot of activities at Lake Bled. You can swim, you can rent a boat, you can visit the church in the middle of the island. A beautiful place to explore in Slovenia. Beautiful Lake Bled is Slovenia's most visited attraction. It's definitely worth a visit, but know that in the summer months it can get very, very crowded. Lake Bohinj is the largest permanent lake in the country of Slovenia. It's a great place to explore nature. You can hike a trail that runs all the way around the lake. You can rent canoes, kayaks, you can swim in the lake. Just a great place to relax and just enjoy nature. Paragliding is a great way to see Bohinj from above. You can also take the Vogel cable car. Following a drive on a windy mountain road, you come to a trail that takes about 15 minutes to get to the point of Vodnikov Razglednik, which offers beautiful views of the Bohinj Valley below. Vrsic Gorge is another gem in Slovenia that you do not want to miss. Wooden walkways follow the path of the gorge, taking you past gushing streams, waterfalls, and untouched nature. If you're looking for adventure, take a drive along the Vrsic Pass, an alpine road with 50 hairpin turns and stunning vistas. The Soča River is a sight to admire, but don't just look at this beauty, get in and get wet by taking a fun rafting trip. At the southernmost part of Triglav National Park is Tolmin Gorge, another natural place to explore in Slovenia. If you love small towns, be sure to make a visit to Radovljica, just a short drive from Lake Bled. Slovenia has a wine region called Brda. It's also known as the Tuscany of Slovenia. Rolling hills, countless vineyards, and several small villages make this the perfect region for romantics and wine lovers. About an hour outside of Ljubljana is the beautiful seaside city of Piran. Though Slovenia only has a sliver of coastline, it's definitely worth a visit. Wander the small alleys and take a dip in the Adriatic. Slovenia is the perfect place for nature lovers. Start planning your trip now.